222 means you're at the right place at the right time. Stay tuned to the end if you want to hear my thoughts of the movie. I live alone, so I do eat every night by myself. I cook for myself all the time. Is that taking myself on a date? No. I'm talking about intentional date. Like, I'm gonna get dressed up. I'm gonna step on, you guys. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna share with you why I'm taking myself on a date and why is it of importance to do so. Taking yourself on a date intentionally, right? Because I spend a lot of time alone because I live alone, I'm single. And this is for if you're single or married or whatever you are. I invite everyone to do this, okay? I cook for myself. I go to a lot of places alone and I don't have any problems with that, but I have not intentionally taken myself to the movies. And this is just an example of intentionally taking myself on a date. Like, I got dressed up in sweatpants, did my hair, put on my oil, put on my jewelry, my perfume, my lip gloss that makes me feel very feminine and happy and just loving and confident and empowered to bring myself out on a date. The reason why I'm doing it is to show myself love, okay? To show myself worthiness and to bring out that self-confidence. I'm actually really freaking excited because I'm just gonna go sit by myself, get a big old box of popcorn, and I don't have to worry about anyone else eating it. If anyone watching this is calling in their life partner, this is such a great tool or thing for you to do. What do I want from my life partner? I want him to show me love. I want him to show me effort. I want him to take me out on dates. When it comes to calling your life partner in, if you know exactly what you want, creating that energy for yourself will bring you closer to the energy of your life partner. I'm not worried about people looking at me, people thinking, oh, why is she alone? Like, you know, no one's thinking that if you're not thinking it. Because if you think that other people are thinking it, they're not. That's just something you are thinking within yourself. And I don't say that to like make you feel guilty or anything, but I'm just bringing that up so I can bring some awareness to you and support you in that no one else thinks that. If you cannot enjoy yourself and your space and you cannot give yourself love, you will not be able to receive it from whatever you're calling in, right? Because how do you know what it is if you've never felt it? And so now when it comes, I'm already gonna know what the feeling is because I have this as experience. Does that resonate? And when I say resonate, for those who don't know, resonate also means like, does that feel right for you? Does that how I intentionally got ready before this? I took a nice shower. After my shower, I bathed my skin in coconut oil. And it was just very nice, like putting it all on myself, showing my skin the love. And then I did my hair. I didn't just throw it up in a bun. I didn't just brush it, put it in a ponytail. I gave myself 2 little braids with 2 little pins here. I put my earrings on. I put my beautiful angel numbers on. Shameless plug, this is my jewelry company. I own it's so cool to say, I own a intentional jewelry company that supports people like you who are watching this video in your manifestations. I don't have a lot left, but I'm gonna put the link below. Just while you're editing this, make sure you don't forget to put the link below. And you can shop the angel number necklaces. So I today put on 222 and 333 stacked. 222 means you're at the right place at the right time. Hey Siri, what time is it? I have to go at 6.
It's 5:55 p.m.
I have to leave in 5 minutes. And then I put 333 on because 333 is support and guidance from your angels and is a big number that resembles love. So with that being said, I am about to head off to the movies. And for those of you who are watching this, I really invite you to take yourself out on an intentional date. And the moment I started being much more intentional with my things and what I do, I started becoming much more in tune and aware of all things that I love, want, and enjoy in life. Stay tuned to the end if you want to hear my thoughts of the movie. It's so funny because I picked a seat right in the middle because I wanted to sit in the center, and I'm like in between all these people and I'm just like Oh, whatever. Look at the sky.
Couple of days of phone tag.
On my way to take myself on a date.
Yay! That's exciting.
And it feels so empowering, loving, intentional.
Nice.
Here I am creating the energy of what it's like to feel that.
Yes.
Because we can't call something in if we don't know how it feels.
Exactly.
Commanding officer.
My goodness. Wow. I just got home from the Black Panther. If this gives you a hint, that is how it went. I ordered a Diet Coke and I spilled it, of course. You know, clumsy me. Anyway, I'm gonna be vulnerable with you guys and share that wasn't so easy, you know? I was feeling my nerves. I was feeling a little anxiousness, excitement. I went, I got myself popcorn. The lady who checked me out, she was like super good energy. She's like, you want butter? I was like, extra butter. I'm not driving. It's from Home Alone. 2 scoops, sir? 2. Make it 3. I'm not driving. I realized I could order more things for my seat. So I was like, okay. Little Jessica just wants to order. I ordered a Diet Coke and I just like felt like a little kid at the movie theater, like drinking my Diet Coke. Well, when I was younger, I drank Coke, eat my popcorn. So the movie itself, whoa. My biggest takeaways was we have all the power we need inside of us. We are stronger together. Peace, love will bring peace. Like love will bring world peace. No matter how much someone like turned on you or no matter how much someone did you wrong, never hold resentment. A quote during the movie was, the most broken people are the most powerful leaders, and that also really hit. There were some really good songs during it. I Shazammed them. Yeah, I'm that type to pull out my phone in the middle of a movie just to Shazam. Okay, there's a song by Rihanna called Lift Me Up. So good. Oh, Coming Back For You by Fire DML. Oh, that's like the cover. I'm gonna download this whole album. Anyway, the movie was so good. I didn't stay till the end, like where they show after the credits, like another thing. I didn't want to stay. I went home. I'm going to sleep, but stay tuned for my next video. Give this video a thumbs up, like it, comment if you saw Black Panther. Leave me a comment. And leave me a comment. Let me know if you've watched it this far, because I want to show you some love. Wakanda forever. Peace.